I'm just going to add some of this green powder, the pond water. So this is a litre, so I'll put heaps in there. It's a super greens plus aloe vera, so grass, algae and aloe, just all organic, low temperature dried powders. And they're beautiful, really nourishing, nutritious, but also really cleansing as well. So they help to support your liver, really good for your gut microbes. They love the greens in there. And it's good to help encourage the growth of the good gut bacteria and discourage the growth of the bad guys. So you can just mix in a heap of the powder into any juice, smoothie, green drink, and instantly you've just got this amazingly nourishing, supportive, cleansing tonic juice. You can mix it in with veggie juices, fruit juices, green smoothies. Just watch your fruit to vegetable ratio. Don't go too high with your fruits, otherwise you've obviously got this, very sweet, sugary kind of beverage. Even though it's real fruit, you don't want to have concentrated huge amounts of fruit juice, rather do more veggies than fruit. That's what is nice and easy, just with lemon or lime, and that's a nice way to do it without adding any sort of sweetness or sugars to it, particularly for diabetics or people watching their sugar intake. So just squeeze a fresh lemon or lime. You can throw the peel in, just get an organic or spray-free, and yeah, that will flavour it beautifully without adding any sort of sweetness to it. To get kids or someone who's not used to having lots of greens, beautiful to have like pineapple or banana or mango's nice as well. You can use those nice fruit flavours to hide the nasty green stuff, which a lot of people find awful when they first start. I couldn't drink greens, but I made myself get used to it just by using juices and then gradually decreasing the sweetness and just adding more water. Super concentrated nutrition, really small little plants with lots of chlorophyll in them, so really dark, deep green, and loads of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, just beautiful plant chemicals. So it's like a vitamin mineral supplement, but it's made by nature instead of by humans in a lab. So no synthetics, everything's natural, and they're low temperature dry, they're organic certified, and it's just a really nice, easy way to get some super nutrient dense food in. Really good food for your gut microbes. So aloe's amazing for that gut lining. So yeah, beautiful. Like it is on your skin, your gut's just like the inside skin. So very soothing and healing also for the gut lining. So helps to improve the way your gut and your immune system works, because that lining is crucial for the way the food that's coming in interacts with your immune system. Really nice for liver and gut support as well, immune system, skin, hair, nails, energy, circulation. Just a bit of quality control.
And how is it?
Delish.